Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Inkem. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel after watching this video and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss my next upload. So I'm doing a review of this beautiful coily headband wig from My First Wig, and the hair came in this box. So let's see what is in the box. Inside the box we have wig cap, bobby pins, rat tape combs and 2 clips. Also it came with 2 extra headband and the wig itself. It says quality wigs for beginners, and also the wig is 100% human hair. This is what the wig look like. This is a coily texture in length 20 and also in natural hair color, and the cap size is actually size 1. All details of this wig will be in the description box, so check out my description box for further details of this wig. This is what the inside of the wig look like. It has 4 combs, 1 at the back and 1 at the top, then 2 by the sides. So it came with this wig stand. Like, I did not know this is a wig stand until I had to watch videos that says this is a wig stand. So I'm going to lay down my edges right now, because if you want your headband wig to look natural and realistic, you need to lay down your edges. Make it look very natural. Laying down your edges makes your headband wig look so natural and super realistic. One good part with this headband wig so far is that you don't need to worry about your hairlines, as in you don't have to mess down your lace, do those baby hair stuff like tuck your wig, your lace, your closure or your frontals. You don't need to do that. This is called like a lazy girl kind of wig, because if you don't have time for those things, then headband wig are sure good for you. So if you have a busy day, an unplanned meeting, for school, like for any other occasion, you just need headband wig, because it's going to save you a lot of time and a lot of stress as well. So this wig is something you can just throw on your head and go. After laying down my edges, I will use a scarf and then tie it and allow it to dry for like 5 to 10 minutes or 15 minutes thereabouts. Then when it's fully dried, I will take out the scarf and then install the wig. So this is the wig. I went ahead to wash the wig. I co-washed it. I did not use shampoo. I only used conditioner on the wig. So I washed it and allowed it to dry. So right now I'm just going to just throw this on my head. You guys, it's called throw on and go. You just have to throw it on your head. Use the velcro, clamp it, and the wig is secured. But I'm going to use the 4 combs on this wig to further secure the hair very well, so just to make sure that when you're working, hair does not fall off. But I'm sure it's not going to fall off even without the wig comb. I'm going to secure this wig by using the wig comb at the back to secure the back, and then also use the wig comb at the front and by both sides to secure it properly. Installing of this wig just takes 10 seconds, because all you have to do is just put it on your head, secure it, and you're good to go.
Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. Let's let go. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy tonight.
After applying water to the wig, I will use some styling foam wash on it to kind of define the coils.
I just wanna be happy.
next thing I'm going to do is kind of like use the headband that the hair came with to give it different styles and different look. Definitely you want to see those styles I did and also how it looks like on me, so keep on watching. If you've watched to this point and you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Also turn on the bell notification so you get notified anytime I put out a new video. So right now I'm going to show you guys how you should rock and style your headband wig. Don't be boring with the wig. Don't just do only all back. There are different ways you can style your wig as well. So I'll be showing you guys different ways you will style this headband wig and look super beautiful in them. So give this video a huge thumbs up if you find this helpful, and also leave your comment in the comment section.
For you in the morning, I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. I just wanna be happy. Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a.